So guys, what's up? Let's talk a little bit about how good of an investment some stocks can be and how well you can make yourself if you can learn to identify some of these really big winners. So I know everyone likes this example because Amazon is such a big winner and it did so well. But let's say, 1 year ago, you had the money to invest just in 100 shares of Amazon. All right, let's say you bought 100 shares on April 25th, 1 year ago. Today, you would have held, if you could have held those shares through all of this mess and whatnot, you would have gone from a value on your shares of $62,000 to a value on your shares of $90,000. So it's almost a $30,000 gain, right? So in 1 year, you could have had a 50% return on your cash. Is there really much better than that? What investments typically turn out to give you, such huge gains, right? You're increasing by $30,000 in value over the course of a year. And yes, okay, your investment is $62,000, and that is a lot of money, right? But what can you buy for $62,000 and expect it to give you this kind of gain? Now, like if you have a business, maybe you're buying and selling some things and you can accumulate $62,000 worth of cost, or let's say you buy and sell cars, you can do $62,000 worth of cost and in a year do better than this, right? But if you don't have a business and you want to invest your money in something like real estate, or something along that nature, what is a better investment really than this would have been? So, and if you could really hold on, or if you could really identify these winners, you're talking about something like ridiculous, massive amounts of money. If you could buy 1,000 shares back in 2010, let's say you're going to use that $62,000. You say you buy 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares in 2008. 2,000 shares had a value of around $62,000 in 2008, and you could have bought Amazon in 2008 for $37.87. And then you take those 2,000 shares and you multiply by their new value, and your return on investment in the last how many years is this? 9 years. In the last 9 years is in the millions. So is there really, something better than putting in $60,000 and then getting back 1.8 million? I don't know about that. That's pretty insane, to think about. Now almost probably no one has accomplished this, right? Just maybe the owners of Amazon, like the CEO or whatnot, right? But with my growth strategy, if I was playing stocks in 2008, maybe I would have seen this. I think so. It kind of fits into like what I look for. I would have played it from here to, I would have played it from here like around $68 to like $119. I would have sold probably, and then I would have bought it again probably at $153 and played it till like $173 here, and then would have bought it again probably at $200. So I wouldn't have caught probably all $1.8 million of the profits, but maybe I could have got half. Now I did recently, like in the past year, catch it a few times, and I recently caught it. In the last this breakout right here. It's not really. I'm right here. I caught it around here at 852, and now it's nice and friendly at 907. Now it does cost a ton of money to buy shares of Amazon, so it's hard to accumulate a lot of them now. But that's the whole point of supply is lower and lower, demand is higher. It's just how economics work, right? So the price of a stock this high goes up faster because now, okay, let me clarify before I continue. It usually goes up slower relative to a small company, but now that it's at a high price, it'll fluctuate $1 very quickly, right? It doesn't mean anything.